This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. Come check out and fall in love with this quaint, well-maintained, move-in ready, townhome-style condo. The natural lighting in this open floor plan home makes relaxing and entertaining a breeze. Cozy up in the great room on a cool night by the fireplace. Eat-in kitchen, spacious bedrooms, in-unit laundry area, 2 full bathrooms, a first-floor half bathroom, and dual closets in the primary bedroom are just a few of the features you will want to check out. Located in the well-regarded Riverwalk community, gives you easy access to a pool and clubhouse. Views of the Intracoastal Waterway are some added benefits you do not want to overlook. Conveniently located to interstate access, shopping, dining, and entertainment. For more information, review the details below.